What?
Put down your chocolate bar.
You know what this?
Can you just put it on the counter, Ken? You don't need to sit there and hold her.
You know. Who came up with that? That was so good. Oh my god, it's buzzing! I feel it vibrating. You need help. Hold me 1 second, no bit. Did you already like hook it up and everything? Or is it just... Is it pink? Oh my god.
It just is a lid. Just a lid. There you go. Do you
Oh
see
my
what it
god,
says?
that is so
What's
good.
it say?
You're welcome. It's from Kennedy.
No.
Kennedy sent, it was her first text message. Kennedy just sent it to her before. What do you think of the color?
I took a screenshot of it. Oh my god.
Did you? Okay, Kennedy. Now give her your special gift.